In the dynamic landscape of business software, where tools often come with a hefty price tag, the name Zoho frequently surfaces as an intriguing alternative. With its vast array of applications covering almost every conceivable business function, from customer relationship management, CRM, to project management, accounting, and human resources, Zoho presents a compelling proposition. However, for many individuals and small businesses exploring their options, a fundamental question often arises. Is Zoho a paid app? As a project management expert who has evaluated countless software solutions, I can provide a clear and nuanced answer. Zoho operates on a freemium model for many of its individual applications, meaning you can start for free, but paid plans are available and often necessary as your needs grow. Furthermore, Zoho offers comprehensive paid suites like Zoho One that bundle many applications together. Let's unpack this to ensure absolute clarity for anyone looking to adopt Zoho, whether for personal use, a small startup, or a growing enterprise. The freemium foundation. Starting free with Zoho. One of Zoho's most attractive aspects is its commitment to the freemium model across many of its standalone applications. This means that a core, often slightly limited, version of the software is available to use indefinitely without any cost. This is a fantastic opportunity for individual users and freelancers. If you're a solopreneur needing basic CRM, project tracking, or invoicing capabilities, a free Zoho app might be all you need to get started. Startups on a shoestring budget. New businesses can pilot Zoho applications without immediate financial commitment, allowing them to test the waters and grow into the software. Learning and experimentation. For anyone curious about a particular business function, e.g., email marketing, customer support, or wanting to try Zoho's interface, the free versions offer a zero-risk entry point. Examples of Zoho apps typically offering free plans include Zoho Projects, often has a free tier for a small number of users, e.g., 3 users, and a limited number of projects, e.g., 2 projects, with basic task management. Zoho CRM provides a free edition for up to 3 users, covering essential features like lead, contact, account, and deal management. Zohobooks, accounting a free plan, is usually available for solopreneurs and microbusinesses to handle basic accounting and invoicing. Zoho Mail offers a free email service with custom domains, albeit with storage and feature limitations compared to paid tiers. Zoho Invoice, specifically marketed as free for all small businesses, allowing you to send up to 500 invoices per year, manage up to 3 projects, and have 2 users. Important considerations for free plans. While the free forever model is great, it's vital to be aware of the inherent limitations that drive users toward paid tiers. User limits. Free plans are almost always capped at a very small number of users, e.g., 1 to 3. Feature restrictions. Advanced functionalities like extensive automation, deeper analytics, robust reporting, third-party integrations, and advanced customization are typically absent from free versions. Storage limits. The amount of data and files you can store is often significantly restricted. Branding. Some free versions might include powered by Zoho branding. Support. Access to customer support may be limited to community forums or slower email responses. Scalability. Free plans are not designed for growing businesses. As your team expands or your needs become more complex, you will quickly hit these limitations. Paid plans. Unlocking full potential and scalability. Once your business scales beyond the capabilities of the free plans, or if you require specific advanced features from the outset, Zoho offers a variety of paid subscription tiers for each of its individual applications. These tiers are designed to cater to different business sizes and needs. Each Zoho application, e.g., Zoho Projects, Zoho CRM, Zoho Desk, typically has several paid plans. Standard/Basic offers more users, increased storage, and a wider set of core features. Professional/Premium unlocks more advanced features, improved automation, and potentially more integrations. Enterprise/Ultimate provides the most comprehensive set of features, including AI capabilities, extensive customization, dedicated support, and often higher limits on everything. Pricing for these individual paid apps is generally structured on a per-user, per-month basis, with discounts often available for annual billing. This allows businesses to pay only for what they need and scale their subscriptions as they grow. Zoho One, the all-encompassing paid suite. For businesses that plan to leverage multiple Zoho applications across different departments, e.g., sales, marketing, finance, HR, project management, customer service, Zoho offers a powerful and cost-effective bundle known as Zoho One. This isn't a single application but rather a subscription that provides access to virtually all of Zoho's 50-plus applications under one unified license. Zoho One's pricing typically comes in two main flavors. All-employee pricing. This is often the most economical option for companies that want to equip their entire workforce with Zoho tools. It requires you to purchase a license for every full-time employee in your organization, regardless of whether they use every single app. This ensures seamless integration and data flow across departments. Flexible user pricing. This option allows you to purchase licenses only for the specific users who will be actively using the Zoho One suite. While it offers more flexibility for smaller groups within a larger organization, the per-user cost is typically higher than the all-employee model. Zoho One is a significant paid investment, but its value proposition lies in the immense breadth and depth of integrated applications it provides. For a project manager, having seamless connections between project tasks, client information, CRM, financial data books, and communication tools, mail, within a single ecosystem can drastically improve efficiency and data accuracy.